Welcome guys for making me popular. My mom is currently happy right now and happy 2026 right now because this is actually ultra duper super absolutely cool because there's no fireworks going in and this is actually super fabulous and I'm excited guys. So let's go and yeah, I'm now changed. I came back with a new life and with a new soul and with a new skin. I have now this skin color. It's still brown because of the swimming pool. And I'm so freaking oh fuck no. Oh, I'm excited. What the fuck is that? Let's go. I'm excited. I'm absolutely excited. You're hearing it right now. Tara na!
Dito muna tayo sa loob ng bahay. Muna tayo.
Bakit?
Yan, dadami yan. Kelly.
50 na. It's 11:50 na.
Ano ba yan, Kelly? Ano ba itong ginagawa mo?
Minagpangki mo.
It's 11:50 na. My God.
10 minutes more!
Money.
Uy, bilang ko yan, ha?
10
Bilang ko
minutes
yan.
more! New Year na!
Pwede na sila mag-
Let's go!
New Year!
Yes!
Kasi, pag-uwi!
Bakit hindi na ako? Ginagakulan mo kasi!
Good night.
Iwan sa loob!
Huwag yung ginagakulan kasi!
Kasi paturan din, hindi na siya masasabi na sila.
Naka-ready na ang aking halaga. Tapos pagkatapos natin lumabas, Kel, ay pagkatapos kumain ng babes, Kel, ano, Kel? Ano tayo, Kel? Uy, Gwyneth, bilang ko yan, ha? 1,080 po yan.
Hello, Papa!
Money talks.
Wala pa, ano?
Money talks.
Wala pa.
Dirty cash.
Mag 59 na yan.
Dirty cash. Money talks.
Where's my
Hoy!
phone? Down sa clock.
Si Sir excited, ang linis
Money
mag-
talks.
11.
Dirty cash.
Ano? 59.
Dirty cash.
Excited ng aming sir. My God.
Ito ang bakla oh.
Kuya, ito yun eh. Ba't yan? Nasa kuya yan.